So what we're gonna do is I'm going to remake my recipe really quickly, then we're gonna try it again. Okay, so I'm gonna bring y'all down. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit the recipe real quick, and I'm still gonna make 2 servings, and I have my bottles over here already. So yeah, I'm about to just remake this recipe really quickly. I have my black soap here, and I'm gonna have to like use a syringe in order to get it out because it's too heavy to pour. I'm gonna go wash this off, then most likely I'm gonna double cleanse because I normally double cleanse anyways, and we'll see. All right, I am back. I'm not about to sit here and lie to you guys, but my face does feel really good. I'm gonna state like my pros and cons while I do my skincare routine. As far as pros, my skin does not feel stripped. It feels clean, but I still have some form of moisture in my face, which is why I say that maybe this formulation isn't necessarily a fail. I think it would just be better for sensitive skin, so I might not throw this formulation away. I think I would just reduce the amount of xanthan gum that I put in there so that it doesn't have such a hard time coming out through the pump, or I'm going to get a different pump. The other thing is that I like the lather to an extent. It doesn't lather up too much, but it lathers up to the point where it gets the job done. So that's a good or bad thing depending on your personal preference. It took off majority of my makeup except for like my waterproof mascara, but nothing ever takes off my mascara except for like straight up oil. So I never expected it to take off my mascara. I never expect any product to take off my mascara unless they say that they can. Like, it's so surreal to sit here and be like, I just washed my face with my skincare product, like my brand, my name, something that I'm passionate about. I wouldn't be able to do any of this without you guys. It has always been my dream to start a skincare company. Since like my junior year of high school, I knew I wanted to have my own skincare company down the line, and like now I'm here and it's like, wow, like you're really doing this. You're really starting your own business. And of course, you know, I still have a lot of time to go. I don't plan on launching until 2021. My goal is to be up and running by the end of 2021, but I want to be launched by my birthday. So my birthday is August 29th. I really can't wait. It's like being able to test and make these products at home has been so much fun. It's like one science experiment after the other, and it really is fun. I think what's gonna have to happen is I'm probably going to color it with a mica in order to get it darker, which is perfectly fine, and it'll just give it a bit of a browner tint because I still want it to be the same brown color that it is in the bottle. So yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the description box down below. That is all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.